Hello, I'm Dr. Steve Hotze, and I'm with one of our longtime guests, Laura Beth Jackson, who's been a guest here at the Hotze Health and Wellness Center since 2002.
Yes.
And tell us, when you came in, what made you decide to come in? You've been seeing other doctors before you came in.
Yes.
For what problems?
Oh, I had migraines really bad. They thought I had fibromyalgia because everything would ache. I'd have to sleep with a heat pad. I had hives. Hair was falling out. And
Energy?
Low energy. I knew that I was low thyroid because I had everything on the deal, but I couldn't convince the endocrinologist that it was low. So.
And did you have a problem with weight?
Oh yes, I keep off at least 55 pounds.
After you came to see us
Yes,
back in 2002,
yes.
you lost 50 pounds.
Yeah.
And so you've kept it off for 21 years?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Well, it fluctuates, but not that much. So.
Okay,
no.
so when you came into the, and how did you even hear about us back then?
I heard it on the radio station, and I would listen consistently and went to some of the seminars you had in the hotels, and I tried to get doctors to do what you did, and they wouldn't do it, and so.
You told me you told your endocrinologist, I'm going to go see Hotze.
Yes.
And what did he say?
He said, "Oh, Hotze's a quack."
But he couldn't get you on a path of health and wellness.
No. I actually wrote him a letter telling them that you listened and I feel 100% better. Because I don't think the doctors hear the stories after.
Of the success, do they?
But
Well, I know when you came in, you initially saw Dr. Sheridan, right?
Yes.
And he got you on a good healthy eating program. He got you on natural thyroid.
Yes.
Got off the synthetic thyroid and the synthroid and all that. Got you on natural female hormones because you'd just gone through the change, right?
Yes. Couldn't sleep.
And couldn't sleep at all.
Night sweats.
Energy level on a scale of 0 to 10, what was your energy level?
My energy was like a 1 or 2.
And your overall, if you had to, but this is back when you were 51.
Yeah.
On a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being just top health, you could imagine, 0 being 1 foot in the grave and another on a banana peel.
Yeah.
Where did you rate yourself?
Oh, it's a 9 or 10.
Now you're a 9 or a 10.
Yeah.
What were you when you came in?
Oh, 1 or 2. I mean.
And so now, this is 21 years later.
Yes.
Now most people think as you get older, you're supposed to feel worse and worse and worse. But as you've gotten older, you're feeling better and better. And what kind of workout did you do yesterday?
I did weightlifting and a cardio class. I do spin classes. I go work out at the Y.
Did you tell me you do foot boxing?
Kickboxing.
Kickboxing?
Yes.
What exactly is that?
It's a martial arts exercise class, Les Mills class called Body Combat.
So what do you do? Show me how you, what do you do? How do you do?
We did like hundreds of punches and, well,
Kick.
I can kick, but I got new knees too. So.
Well, I tell you, that is just, so you've been on the program now for 21 years. You got your husband in and kids in. And the family.
Yes.
So this has been a great story. Now, do you think it has had an impact on the way you've enjoyed your life over the last 21 years?
I can't see it not doing it, and people think I'm crazy with all the supplements and all the stuff that I do, and I'm always reading and coming up with stuff. I give away the newsletters, and I just, I work out showing these ladies that are old enough to be their mom that you can still do all that stuff. So, it just, that's why some of them came in.
Well, this is just a great story, and I want to congratulate you because you wouldn't accept poor health when you were 50. And you kept hunting, and the doctors would try you on all kinds of drugs, and you finally decided to come in and take charge of your health and let us partner with you to get you on a path of health and wellness. And I want to thank you also for the kind referral of all your family and friends. We love to get individuals like Laura Beth in here and turn their lives around, and we know that they have family members and friends and church members that have got similar problems that we can help. So thank you so much for referring those folks to us, because we love to help people get their lives back. So thank you for joining us, and thank each one of you for joining us. If you'd like to get on a path of health and wellness, don't hesitate to give us a call here at the Hotze Health and Wellness Center. It would be our privilege to work with you and partner with you to get you on a path of health and wellness too.